Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this shoe bench from Love Furniture. Now, I absolutely love the design of this shoe bench. The bench itself is firm but comfortable, and it is the perfect height for sitting and putting on your shoes. With 6 spacious shoe cubby holes, you can store 16 and even 24 pairs of shoes. The wood that it's made of is very tough and thick, so if you have a family, this is going to withstand the kicking of the shoes into the cubby holes. It took about 2.5 hours to put together by myself, and the instructions were very clear and easy to follow. I really recommend this to anyone who has a family or needs a shoe storage for their entryway. You just get such a great 2-in-1 with the shoe bench and the cubby holders. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.